Welcome to the deep dive. We're so happy you're here with us today. This deep dive is special. It's for you if you are just starting to learn English, A1 level. We're talking about travel English, for when you're at the airport. Our goal today, it's simple. We want to give you some easy English words, very simple sentences, so you can find things at the airport, feel good about it, confident, clear. And joining me today, we have our expert guide, ready to help us with airport English. Airports, they can be big places, right? Busy.
Oh, definitely. Very busy. Lots of signs, lots of people. It can feel like a maze sometimes.
Exactly. Even if it's in your own language. So, yeah, we're going to make it easy for you.
That's right. And, the good thing is airports are international places. Many signs have pictures, symbols. That helps a lot. And the people working there, they help travelers all day from everywhere. They expect simple questions. So it's okay if your English is basic. It really is.
That's such a good point. Airport staff. They are there to help. That's their job. So today, let's imagine, okay, you've just arrived, big airport, lots happening. I'll be the traveler, feeling maybe a little lost. And our expert here, you'll be the helpful airport person, staff member.
Sounds good. I'm ready. Ready to help you find your way.
Perfect. And we'll use really simple words, very clear English. Okay, let's start our journey. Okay, so step 1, you arrive, maybe by car or bus. Now you need to check in. For your flight, you look around. Wow, so many desks, so many people. Where do you go? You need your airline's check-in counter. How do you ask? Simple English.
Right. This is common. You want to find your airline. The easiest way, just say the airline name. That's it. Like, British Airways. Or maybe Lufthansa check-in. Just the name with a little question sound. You can also point. Point to your ticket if it shows the name. People will understand. They'll probably point. Or say straight ahead. Or maybe that way.
Oh, that's really helpful. So simple. Just the airline name. Maybe excuse me first. And a little question in your voice.
Okay.
Very clear. So you find the counter, you check in, you have your bags, your luggage. Sometimes you have a question about the bag, maybe. Is it too big? Or where do I put it? On the belt. How do you ask that simply?
Good question. Often the staff will use hand signals, gestures. They might point to the scale, to weigh your bag. But if you need to ask, pointing helps a lot. Point to your bag. And you can say, is this okay? Just like that. Or maybe too big. They'll usually just say yes or no or point to show you the right size. It's about using, just 1 or 2 key words, and pointing. Gestures are key.
Right. Gestures. So important when you're just starting, especially in a noisy place. It helps communication even with few words. Okay, So check-in done. Bags are going on the plane. Good. Next step. Security. This part can feel a bit confusing. Many rules here. How can you ask for help? Or just understand what to do?
Yeah, security, it can feel a bit serious. But again, look for pictures, signs. They often show a bag, a phone, liquids in a clear bag. And the staff, they use short commands, very clear. They might say, bags here, pointing to the belt. Or laptop out, take your computer out of the bag. Or maybe empty pockets, take everything out. If you don't understand, just point. Point to your bag or your pocket. Look at the staff like, a questioning look. They'll usually repeat, slower. Or just show you, point again. And watch other people. That's a great tip. See what they do.
That's really practical. Watch others. Listen for short words. Look at pictures. Okay, so you're past security. Phew, well done. You have your boarding pass, your ticket for the plane, and on it there's a gate number, like gate A or gate B12. This is where you wait, where you get on the plane.
Yeah.
But airports are huge, so big. You might need directions to your gate. This must be a very common question, right? How do I ask for my gate, let's say? I need gate A.
Absolutely. Very, very common. It's easy. You can say, excuse me, where is gate A?
Yeah.
Or even simpler, just hold up your boarding pass, point to the gate number and say, gate A. Everyone understands this. They see boarding passes all day.
Okay, got it. Excuse me, where is gate A? Simple and clear. And what's a typical answer? How will the airport staff reply?
They'll give simple directions like go straight or go straight, then turn left. Maybe it's downstairs or follow the signs. They will use clear words and often point, show you the way. Also, look for the big screens, the monitors. They list all the flights, flight numbers, and the gate number. Find your flight.
Right, the big screens. Good tip. Because sometimes gates change, don't they?
They can, yes. Always good to check the screen near the time.
Okay. Simple directions. Go straight, turn left, downstairs. Got it. Yeah, maybe found my gate. I'm waiting. But when do we get on the plane? How can I ask about the boarding time? Simply.
Another good one. You can point to your boarding pass again, maybe point near the gate number, and just ask boarding time or when boarding. The staff will usually look at a screen or maybe your pass and tell you. They might say in 10 minutes or a time like at 3 p.m. And it's good to know, Boarding time is when you get on. Departure time is when the plane leaves. They can be different. Listen for boarding.
Ah, okay. Boarding time versus departure time. That's useful, thanks. So listen for boarding to know when to get on the plane itself. Okay, I found my gate. I know the boarding time. Phew, but I've been walking around this big airport, and now I need the restroom. How do I ask for that? Simple English, please?
Yes, the universal question. Very important. You can say, excuse me, where is the restroom? That's very clear. Or even shorter, restroom nearby, like is there one close? And also look for the signs, the symbols, usually a little picture of a man or a woman.
Restroom nearby. I like that. Very direct. And what kind of simple answer would I probably get?
Again, simple directions, they might just point and say, over there, or yes, over there. Maybe go straight, then right. Sometimes they give a landmark like next to the cafe or down the hall. But don't worry, airports usually have many restrooms. Often one is quite close.
Good to know. Okay, restroom found. What about, I'm waiting and I'm hungry or thirsty, need some water. How do I ask about finding food? Or maybe cafe?
Very similar. Same idea. You can ask, where's food? Very simple. Or, where's a cafe? Or, water. You might see names you know, like McDonald's or Starbucks. You can just point at the sign and ask McDonald's. Staff will understand. They'll point you toward the food area, the food court, and look for the signs too. Usually a knife and fork symbol. That means food.
Great, so using the word for what you want, like food, cafe, water, plus where.
Exactly. Where is food? Where is water? Works perfectly.
It really seems like direct questions and simple answers, often with pointing or signs, are the way to go.
Yes. Keep it simple. That's the key at this level.
Okay, let's jump ahead. Fast forward. Your flight was great. You landed. New city. Or maybe you're home. Yay. Now, you need to leave the airport. But first, your luggage. Your bags. How do you find the baggage claim area? Where the suitcases come out.
Right. After you land, you just follow the crowd usually and look for signs. They will say arrivals or baggage claim. Often there's that picture too, a symbol of a suitcase. If you get lost, just ask anyone in uniform. You can say, where is baggage claim? Or if you have your suitcase tag, point to it and ask, my bag. They'll tell you the carousel amount, like number 4, or just point you there. It's usually just a walk from where you landed.
Makes sense. Look for arrivals, baggage claim, or the suitcase picture. Ask, where is baggage claim? Oh, okay, you have your bags. Yes. Freedom. Now you want to leave. Go to your hotel or home. Many people take a taxi. How do I ask for the taxi stand? In easy English.
Very easy. You can ask, how do I get to the taxi stand? That's the full question. Or much shorter, just look towards the exit doors and ask, taxi. Maybe point outside. Everyone understands taxi. It's almost always outside the main building, sometimes downstairs. Near the exit, staff will usually say, go downstairs or outside. And they'll point. Look for signs, too. Often a picture of a car, a taxi.
It's not perfect. How do I get to the taxi stand? Or just taxi with a point. Wow, it really shows you don't need complicated sentences. Simple is really effective.
Absolutely.
These basic phrases can help so much when you travel. I think the most important thing is just be brave. Try to speak.
Right. Exactly that. Just try. People at airports, they are patient. They're helpful. They know many travelers are learning English or don't speak it well. They are used to simple questions, simple answers, gestures. So really, don't worry about making mistakes. Your accent, none of that matters. Just try.
That's such a wonderful message. Don't worry, just try. And remember, everyone, practice helps. Practice makes perfect, as they say. The more you use these phrases, the easier it gets. You'll feel more comfortable. So now, it's your turn. Yes, you, listening. Let's practice. I'm going to say some key phrases slowly. I want you to repeat them after me. Okay. Say them out loud. It's good practice for speaking. Ready? First phrase. Where is gate A? Pause. Good. Second phrase. How do I get to the taxi stand? Pause. Great job. Third phrase. Is there a restroom nearby? Pause. Fantastic. Let's do 2 more from our chat today. Also very useful. Ready? Fourth phrase. Where is baggage claim? Pause. Excellent. And the last one. Super simple. Imagine asking for the airline counter. Lufthansa check-in. Pause. Very, very well done. Keep practicing these. Say them again later today. Tomorrow, you will feel better and better using them. Remember, just try. People really do want to help. So as we finish up this deep dive into airport English, here's a little thought for you, a question. What's the first thing you would ask at the airport in English? Think about it. Maybe it's one of our phrases. Or something else you need. Practice it now. Say it out loud. Thanks for learning with me on Learn English Online. Travel safe and speak English every day.